Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Chona Colis. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Bukidnon, Don Carlos.
So, what is your marital status, ma'am?
I'm I have two kids with live-in partner. One boy, 13 years old. The second is girl, 7 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
Only two. I'm the second child.
So, can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm graduate secondary high school. I'm in Kibatang National High School.
Okay, so can you tell me the reason, ma'am, why you did not finish your study?
Because for the financially and more my parents no money to support my school.
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm abroad. I'm from Oman. I'm taking care three child. And first is newborn. The second is 3 years old, and the third is 2 years old.
Okay, so aside from taking care of their children, ma'am, do you have any other duties and responsibilities
Yes,
there?
I'm cleaning and I prepare the foods my employer, and I'm prepare the foods also the kids, and taking care bath, taking to wear clothes, and give him all food.
Okay, so since you told me, ma'am, that you did not finish your contract, right?
I finish my contract, ma'am.
So you finished your contract in
Yes.
Oman. So I'm so sorry, ma'am. So aside from Oman, ma'am, do you have any other country?
Only Oman, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I describe myself. I'm a hardworking, and I will be assure you be. I will be a good domestic helper in your home, ma'am, and I will do my best to work.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have two tattoos in right hand and left hand.
Okay, so can you show me your tattoo, ma'am? And
It's
then,
a rose and it's
okay, so
flower.
can you tell me the meaning of your tattoo, ma'am?
This my tattoos is only design flower because I love flowers. Then I put only my hands, only design, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
So, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to go abroad because for my kids I want a big salary, and I want to give my good future to my kids.
So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom, because I have dogs and cats in our home. Two dogs and one cat.
Okay. So, can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
First, I will calm down my voice. Then, if they calm down, I will start to play, read the books.
Okay. So, what is your message to your future employer?
To my dear future employer, if you select me, I will do my best to my hardworking, and I'm honest, and I'm trustworthy, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.